Hello guys, it's your boy David Kwame and welcome to my YouTube channel Davis Hustle. And on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Faucetpay account. Yes, a Faucetpay account. One of my subscribers asked for this, asked for how to create a Faucetpay account. And I know creating this account is a little bit complicated. And to those who actually don't know what Faucet Pay is actually a decentralizing system. When I talk about a decentralizing system, all I'm saying is a crypto wallet. That is it. Yes, it is used to store cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest. But what makes this account different and unique is that you can earn only on this platform through other platforms. Yes, what I'm saying is that this platform can help you make money online through other platforms. It was through FaucetPay that I got to know CoinPayu. Yes, and CoinPayu is one of the platforms that I've made money on, and it has helped me a lot. You can go to my videos and you see videos on CoinPayu. And CoinPayu is actually not the video, is actually not the only platform that FaucetPay will give you access to. But there are so many legitimate platforms that this FaucetPay um, account is going to help you make money on. So guys, without wasting much time, let me take you through. So go to my description down below and I have the link there. Click on it. It will bring you directly to FaucetPay. Yes, when you get there, click on sign up. Yes, what makes this um, creating this account complicated is the username. Yes, most of the people trying to sign up on this site have problem with the username because you have to make your username unique. One thing is that if someone is on this platform and actually have the same username as your own, yes, your own won't be picked because he registered with that username first, unless you make it unique. So first of all, we are going to sign up and then, okay, let's continue. So first of all, your username, let me use the username example. Let me take um, villain okay, as my username. So your email address, so I'm using my email address, Kwame 97. I think I've used this as email address. Okay, let me continue. Okay, I've already used this email address for this account, so let me change it and use another different email address. I have tons of email address, so let me pause this video to check the other email address and use it. I'll be back soon. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm using this email address, um kwamevillain@gmail.com. Use it again. Okay, I've already, let me clean the first one. Okay, okay, gmail.com. Okay, after then we enter the password. Let me pause to enter the password, but make sure your password is a characters of eight characters. Make sure the first letter is a capital letter and you add a symbol and also a number. So let me pause this video and continue with my password. After then we continue. Okay guys, I'm done with the password, so I click on this place to accept their policy and I click to verify. So I click on it and this is the verification process. All I have to do is to push this puzzle into the hole and I'm good to go. So after that, yes, when I click on create account, you actually see that they are not going to accept my username because the username has already been used by someone else. So I have to make the username unique, but I just want to make a test for you so that you will see what I'm doing. That's why I didn't make it unique. So create account. You witness it yourself. Okay, as you can see here, it says the username you entered is already. So all I have to do is to make the username unique. So how do I make it unique? I just add some numbers. So villain 97 and I'm good to go. So after making it unique, I verify once again and I'm good to go. Filled in the puzzle, and so this time around they are going to accept my my account. So create account. So done. So one thing is that they've accepted the account, but one thing is that you have to verify in your email. Yes, you have to go to your Gmail to verify your account, or else your account won't be activated. So I go back and go to Gmail, then select the email address that I used. So you get to see the Faucetpay is now here. So I click here, then I confirm. So let me confirm. Okay, let me confirm it here just once on Faucetpay. So let's see. So it says my account has now been activated. So I then go there. I've saved the account on Google. So let me first of all verify before, because I want to do one time entry. So after, okay, I have low battery and then so after that I click on here. Where is the Kwame Velen? This is the email we created. So after that I log in 2FA. Okay, they've given me 2FA. So the 2FA is actually a unique code. Yes, anytime you sign up, they'll demand for this unique code and they'll send it directly to your email address. Your Gmail, sorry. Yes, so when they send it to your email address, you are actually going to copy there and enter. So let me take you there and then we enter. So I come back and go back to Gmail, and then yes, here is it. So let's say what are the numbers? 91 84 02. Okay, okay, let me continue. 91 84 02. So after that I click on verify. Okay, successful. And guys, this is how you create a faucet pay account. Simple as ABC. And anytime you log in, they give you reward, and this reward can be converted into Bitcoin. Yes, this is how you create a faucet pay account. And one advantage of you holding this account is the moment you have a faucet pay account, you can have a lower minimum withdrawal on certain faucet platforms, just like CoinPayU, for example. On CoinPayU, if you have a faucet pay account, your minimal withdrawal is 1,000 Shitoshis for BTC, but with other crypto wallets, the minimum withdrawal is 10,000. And for a bonus, I'm going to teach you a place that you can make money through the site. That is for a bonus. So I click here and go to earn and click. You can see all this menu here. Those are certain sites. Those are a list of sites that have surveys. So certain platform and some of the platforms are surveys, pay to click, stakings, and faucet list. The one that I choose most is the faucet list, and that is where I make my money what online. So as you can see, CoinPay is already here, and CoinPay is paying over $916 weekly. Yes, every week. And crypto wallets, yes, ADBTC. These are all platforms that will help you make money online, and it's so simple. The moment you join Faucetpay, you have access to all this platform, which is a very nice and easy to participate. All you have to do is to sign up to this app and just follow the direction I show you, and you are good to go, and you are going to earn huge with this platform. Okay, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and click on the notification bell and leave a like. The moment you leave a like for new videos, yes, leave a like if you like this video. Sorry, if you leave a like if you like this video, but if you don't come anywhere near me. And make sure you leave the notification bell on for more videos like this. Okay, guys, thank you.